What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we got a new unboxing. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we got a new unboxing in, and that item is a Furman power conditioner. Enough of me talking. Let's head over to the table and unbox this. All right, fam. So right here, we have the Furman m8dx power conditioner. I love Furman products when it comes to power conditioners. I already own two. This will be my third one. They just really get the job done. As you can see here, it's good at noise filtering to reduce radio frequencies, spike and surge protection, front panel pull-out lights, large digital LED voltmeter, 8 rear panel outlets, 8 amp rating with circuit breaker, protection OK indicator, and wall wart spacing. Like I said, man, I love these Furman power condensers. Let's go ahead and open it up to see what we got. As you can see, comes with the pamphlet here. Here's a couple of their different models, the m8x2, the m8lx, and the m8dx. Let's get that out of the way. It comes well packaged, just so you don't damage it. So let's get this plastic off. All right, fam, we got the plastic off. As you can see, here's the power on and off. It's a protection light. These are the pull-out lights right here. Here's one, and here's the other one. These are pull-out lights that do turn on. This is your voltage meter. Like I said, this is another light. This is your control on the lights here. This is a front plug. This is a rack mount unit, as you can see here. Now let's turn it over to why we need this. Here we go, right here. The reason I use this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you got the one on the front, which is 9 plugs that you could plug in your studio gear. This definitely gets the job done. It's a simple piece of gear, but for me, it's a very vital, very important piece of gear. You won't find a studio without it. If you don't have one, I definitely recommend looking into these. You might not want this specific model, but I definitely recommend getting some type of power conditioner. Furman makes all types. Like I said, this is my third one. I love this power conditioner. Like I said, check it out. Yes, sir. That Furman m8dx is fire, man. It's a very simple piece of equipment, but it's vital to any type of studio. Whether you're at a commercial space, whether you're at a home studio, whatever, man. These power conditioners are definitely vital. And as you saw, you could plug in 8 pieces of gear in the back. You got one plug up front for your cell phone or charging batteries or something like that. I love Furman power conditioners. Like I said in the video, I already have 2 here in my home studio. This will be my third for the home studio, man. I love Furman products. Do you use Furman products? If not, let's talk about it in the comments below. If you recommend another company, tell us about that too, so we could bring those to the channel, man. Our goal is to help each other get better. So do me a favor, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also check out my website, mixedbygels.com, and I'll catch you on the next video. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.